My name is Abhishek. I'm a legal internet Lexis and Company. So today's my topic is right to be forgotten Delhi High Court order. So let us before proceeding with the topic, I request you please like, share, and my videos and subscribe the channel LexClick. So let us talk about what is the issue. So the Delhi High Court recently ordered the removal of one of its own judgments from easy access. It comes as an important development for the right to be forgotten. So what is this case about? The petitioner was accused of certain crimes by the court. The judgment was freely accessible on the internet, which is the petitioner was unhappy of. The petitioner thus sought removal of judgment from a leading database platform and search engine. The court, as a temporary relief, asked search engines to remove this order from each result, and it also ordered the database platform to block the judgment from being accessed by research engines. So, what is the rationale behind this? So, the High Court recognized that the petitioner may have a right to be forgotten. The right to be forgotten is generally the right to have information about a person removed from public access. So the idea is that the individual should be able to determine the development of their life in an autonomous way. The persons cannot be perpetually stigmatized for past conduct. So what is the SC ruling in this regard? In 2017, the Supreme Court recognized the right to be forgotten as being under the ambit of right to privacy. So informational under the Constitution. And it observed that if someone desired to remove personal data from the virtual space, it ought to be respected. However, the right to be forgotten was subject to reasonable restrictions based on countervailing rights such as the free speech. So, what is it is in practice? Despite the Supreme Court's judgment, the right remains underdeveloped in India. For now, the individuals may request data hosts to take down some content. It may be taken down based on the policies of the respective host. So what are the concerns? So there is a general consensus that people should allow to modify or delete information uploaded by themselves. However, whether this extends to information uploaded by third parties is uncertain. If the person was never convicted, should they continue to bear the infamy is a big question. The US Supreme Court in a similar case has disallowed suppression of criticism and accountability, especially against powerful figures. There may be significant merit to right to be forgotten, but whether it extends to the removal of judgments of court of record is questionable. Judgments are published for good reason. Trial held under public scrutiny acts as a check against judicial arbitrariness. So what could have been done in this? So this is perhaps the first instance of court ordering the removal of access of its complete final judgment from certain spaces. Instead, the Delhi High Court could have ordered that the name and personal details of petitioner be redacted, and the public access to the judgment itself could have been maintained. The strengthened effect should also be taken into account. It is a social phenomena that occurs when attempt to hide, remove, or censor information has the unintended consequences. So, unintended consequences of further publicizing that information often via the internet. So the issue has been listed for final hearing and the outcome is keenly awaited. So that's it. Thank you.